There are plenty of presidential political rallies that happened in Michigan and Ohio. It takes a lot of planning from federal and local law enforcement. Silver Barker joins us tonight. Silver, you spoke with the Wood County Sheriff. He's been a part of protecting these rallies before. What did he tell you?
Well, Wood County Sheriff Mark Wasylyshyn says that whenever a president or presidential candidate plans to visit a city, local law enforcers are asked to help the Secret Service. He says the goal is to hope for the best, prepare for the worst.
We think you go to a rally for a presidential candidate that you might get shot. That's possibility is always there. It's a minimal possibility. Unfortunately, it's rare that this happens.
Wood County Sheriff Mark Wasylyshyn says that while it's rare, the possibility of getting shot at a political rally can happen.
You hope that with all the spotters that the Secret Service has and their sharpshooters that they see all those things, but they can't see everything.
Which is why, when presidential candidates come to visit, Secret Service will plan meetings with local law enforcement to help with traffic safety and event patrolling.
They'll explain who they need where. We'll discuss routes. We'll discuss what hospital they would use if there were to be an emergency.
But no matter how prepared, it's hard to think of everything that could go wrong with big events that attract large crowds. Sheriff Wasylyshyn says if something does seem like a threat, law enforcement officers are to act first, explain later.
We have to act on what we see because there's not time to ask for permission or to. We're trained to preserve the peace. And if we see someone that looks like they're going to harm the dignitary or harm someone in the crowd, you need to react right now.
The Secret Service will be investigating the shooting in the coming days and weeks.
Believe me, they're already digesting what went wrong, what could have been done better, how it could have been approached in a different way.
Sheriff Wasylyshyn believes we may see the candidates switch up how they go about presenting speeches as a result of what happened on Saturday.
Interesting to see, do the candidates change what they do based on what happened Saturday night? That's very likely too. Will they go back to doing it in hangars or having enclosed areas?
Sheriff Wasylyshyn says that so far, every big event they've had to help the Secret Service with in Toledo has went accordingly, and they hope to keep it that way, partnering with other law enforcement officers nearby. In studio, Silver Barker, WTOL 11.